Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so pairing succeeds quickly. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked, Bluetooth enabled, and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. Keep airplane mode off so discovery works. Charge the Apple Watch above 50% and hold it about 1 to 2 feet from the phone. Now open the Watch app and tap Start Pairing. This initiates the Apple Watch discovery sequence. Once done, follow the on-screen camera animation or manual code entry to continue the secure link. You now verify identity and choose Setup options. When the watch animation or 6-digit code appears, confirm it on the iPhone so Bluetooth pairing and authentication complete. This prevents unauthorized connections. Next, decide whether to restore from a backup or set up as new and enable location, Siri, and Apple ID features for full functionality. Make sure you allow necessary permissions. They let notifications and health data sync. Once configured, the phone will begin transferring settings and apps. Keep the devices close. You finish by letting the final sync complete and verifying connection status. Check Bluetooth on the iPhone. It should list your Apple Watch as connected and test notifications, calls, and health sensors so you confirm functionality. If any feature is missing, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then force close the Watch app and reopen it. If pairing fails, restart both devices and try again. This clears temporary radio glitches and cache states. If problems persist, unpair and reset the watch from the Watch app before a fresh setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.